What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today with a very exciting Samsung video for you guys. And today we're going to be talking about how you can get the Pixel Screenshots app from the Google Pixel functionality on your Galaxy smartphone. Now I made a video about this when the Pixel 9 series first came out on how you could install the APK direct from Google on your Galaxy phone, but a lot of people had bugs with it, admittedly. I tried it, it worked okay, but it wasn't the best experience. So today I want to give you guys an alternative. There's a new way you can go about doing this, and hopefully you guys will love it. Before we get started, I do want to remind you guys, if you haven't yet, make sure you check out our website, sammyguru.com, covering the latest Samsung news, tutorials, updates, tips, tricks, and reviews. We have a full writing team over there now, covering 12 to 15 Samsung articles a day, keep you kind of up to date on everything you know about Samsung Mobile. You can subscribe to our newsletter. We also round up a lot of our articles in that every day. If you guys are in the US, you can also tap the orange banner on our website, sign up for the Galaxy S25 Ultra free mystery box program. When you order the Galaxy S25 device through our link, on launch day, you'll get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand. We also have other randomly inserted goodies like Amazon gift cards, Best Buy gift cards, Google Play credit. Those are one in every 10 bucks. This is in the US only. Put in your phone number, your email, or both. We cover the cost of shipping as well as all the products. We use our affiliate income from you guys using our links to purchase the phone. That's why that is a requirement to cover all that stuff. So the link will be in the pinned comment and description if you're interested. So this is the application, AI Screenshot Finder Pixel Shot, a new developer who has a long, strong track record as well. Obviously, if it was just some new developer that we've never heard of before, I wouldn't talk about this because there's a lot of, obviously, data privacy, things to be concerned with. You have screenshots being analyzed by AI. This is a developer that has a lot of apps on the Play Store, fairly well known, and it's got almost the same functionality as you would find inside of the Pixel Screenshots application on your Pixel. Now I'll do a comparison. I do have the Pixel 9 Pro XL over here. I'll also show you guys the onboarding process for this app. But here's what you have: AI-powered organization. Say goodbye to manual sorting. Our intelligent AI automatically categorizes your screenshots based on their content, giving you an organized library. Instant summaries. Let AI do the work. It analyzes the text within your screenshot and generates concise summaries, helping you quickly recall important information. Local processing for privacy. Text-only cloud AI for summaries, smart search and tagging, clutter-free screenshots. Organize your screenshots by date, category, or even topic. So lots of really cool stuff. Now here's the application itself. When you install it in your app tray, it's going to just show up as Pixel Shot. I'm going to go through the onboarding process here and show you kind of how you get onboarded with my Z Fold Special Edition because I have it over there. But here's what the app looks like when you log in. You've got a search here. The search is pretty good. I have a lot of screenshots of YouTube analytics that I took just so I could show off on this video. I didn't want any sensitive screenshots. I have a bunch of them from work. It does a really good job of sorting through and finding your analytics. So if you search for something, it does a great job. I will say for the collections, it says it's supposed to automatically add, but I believe that's only for new screenshots perhaps. Like if you set up a collection and you tell it, like I set up a YouTube analytics collection, it will add new screenshots that you take to that particular folder. It doesn't do it with the first pass through. That's what I've noticed. I tested that just to kind of show you guys in this particular video so you can see. It analyzed all my screenshots. I have over 850 of them on here, and it does take a rather long time. So just be aware of that. So you can create as many, different collections as you want up here. You can say wallpapers if you want, your wallpapers or your home screen screenshots. You could do those, and it will go through and add those. Now over here in the menu bar, you've got share app, feedback, privacy policy, terms of service, follow. They've got other apps in there. There's no real ads in here though, other than just obviously advertising their own other ads, their apps there. When you tap on a screenshot, you will get a summary here at the bottom. You can see here, this is an app update screenshot. I take a lot of those, copy, delete. You can share here. You can also hit the plus button to create a new collection from here, or you can add this to any of your existing collections as well. Now, like I said, it is a little bit slower than Pixel Screenshots, so that is one thing to keep in mind. You do also have the ability down here at the bottom to add notes. You can see it does a pretty good job of summarizing the information in the screenshot, at least in my opinion. Now, once I've used this for a little bit longer, if you guys follow me over on X and all other socials, I'll talk a little more about kind of how accurately it does in placing these into the collections you've created, because you need to create the collections before you do the import. Let's try that now though with the Z Fold Special Edition, because I want to show you guys the onboarding process. So here I have the Z Fold Special Edition, and I've also installed the Pixel Shot app, but I haven't went through the process yet at all. So it walks you through, tells you This app automatically organizes your screenshots and generates AI summaries. Easily search and find the right screenshot based on content. Local processing, all text extraction done locally to ensure your privacy and none of your images are ever uploaded to the cloud, which is very important with an application like this. AI-powered summarization, extracted text is sent to the cloud for summarization, but rest assured no data is stored, only raw text is processed for insights. Storage permission, you do have to give storage permission obviously for this to work because it needs to analyze your screenshots. You can decide what level you want to allow, and then notifications to get information about, when they're done. So here, like what you could do is you could create one called, let's try creating one called analytics again, here at the top. And it's gonna analyze my screenshots here. You can see it's pretty slow. So I've got 107 on the Z Fold Special Edition because I just got this phone. Let's let it go through and we'll see if it places any in the collection that I created here for the initial import. And I'll come back and we'll look at the results now that we've went through the onboarding on the Special Edition. All right, so we went ahead and did the import here on the Z Fold Special Edition. I set up the category. I manually added these analytics shots. None of them got added automatically when it scanned all of my images. So it doesn't appear to automatically categorize them yet. The Pixel Screenshots app does a little bit better job of that, and also the UI. If I'm missing something, or if the dev watches this, obviously I'm using this for the first few days I've been using it. If I miss something and it's supposed to automatically, add things to the appropriate category, maybe it takes some time for it to learn. So we'll see. If you look at the comparison to the Pixel Screenshots app right here, a couple of things you'll notice. Pixel Screenshots also has collections at the top. This one will add them, but again, it did take some time to add them automatically. You can see the app that it was taken in down here at the bottom, which I like. You see like the studio icon down there, like the settings icon lets you know where it was taken. You got the search at the bottom. Down here, you can also import from camera or gallery, like you can scan something, which is kind of cool. In the settings here, you can turn on search with on-device AI as well, create new collections. Here you can also kind of select multiple photos at once from the home screen as well in the Pixel, which is a little bit easier to utilize in my opinion. Like when you long press on a photo here, you can also share it, trash it, add it to a collection. A lot of the things is very similar. You've got the summary here at the bottom. You guys saw the summaries over here. You can add a note. Down here, you can do it by voice as well here and get information. Add to collection at the bottom, maybe a little bit cleaner here, but overall it's about the same. Here, you can see here to get a reminder. That's integrated with Google Reminders, which is really nice. So that's a little bit different. You can give good feedback or bad feedback, which is something they could probably add over here on this application as well. But overall, this is a good start. If you want to get the Pixel AI screenshots on your Galaxy phone, you want to test it out, give feedback to the dev. Only 1,000 people have downloaded this so far, so a lot of room for improvement. If I missed something with the automatic categorization collections, you guys let me know, but I think you have to use it for a long period of time with that particular collection set up. It would be nice if you could set up multiple collections before the import, and then it would automatically sort them into collections when it does the initial import, which obviously that does not happen as we saw. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about this. Check out our website, sammyguru.com. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.